This may be the most advanced pool cleaning robot of CES 2025. This is the Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max. I want to walk you through what I think are some of the most interesting features. Aiper did sponsor this video, but they didn't tell me what to say, and every opinion is my own. One of the coolest features is the X1 Pro Max can go anywhere in your pool. It cleans the floor, it cleans the sides. It can go 5 centimeters over the water line. It can even go up the pool stairs, and wherever it goes, it scrubs off stains and algae. Seeing this robot navigate is really a sight to behold and makes for one of the cooler tech demos at CES. The key here is a TVC engine, which stands for Thrust Vector Control. It's the same concept used in fighter jets, and if I understand the tech correctly, it uses jet propulsion to make small adjustments in how the X1 corrects its path around the pool. Okay, let's talk about suction power. Aiper is claiming the world's strongest performance for a pool cleaning robot with a suction power of 8,500 gallons per hour. Aiper says the X1 can suck up to 146 large leaves per hour, which I don't know, that sounds pretty impressive to me. There's also a micromesh filter specifically targeted at sand and other types of fine debris. The Scuba X1 Pro Max also includes 4 different brushes that help ensure every corner and edge of the pool gets a thorough cleaning. Now, of course, the robot needs to know where all those corners and edges are, and for this it relies on 40 different sensors to map the contours of your pool. Aiper says it uses a grid pattern to cover the floor of the pool and then can adjust to an S-shaped pattern for elevated platforms. It also takes an intelligent approach to energy savings where the X1 will adjust its suction power according to how much debris it needs to clean up. This helps save battery life for extra long run times. The Scuba X1 Pro Max is a fully cordless design, and its beefy battery can last for up to 10 hours. You can place the X1 in its wireless charging dock the moment you pull it out of the pool, and you don't even need to dry it off first. There's also a smart pool monitor sold separately called the Hydrocom Pro. This checks for pH levels and other water data points. It helps summon the robot back to the water's surface. You're probably wondering, how much does it cost and when can I get it? Well, it's $22.99 US, which might sound expensive, but if you already have a swimming pool, then maybe it's actually pretty cheap. You get it in the United States on February 14th, and then 1 month later, March 14th in Europe.